To DJH Prestige and Sports, we've just acquired this lovely looking Ford Focus ST-2 diesel. Really is a lovely looking car. It's got a lot of added pieces on it. So you've got the front lip spoiler down the bottom there, running daylights, got the yellow calipers, black alloy wheels, privacy glass to the rear, little arch extensions as well, some added rear bottom diffuser. You've got little side steps as well. It's all different. That usually doesn't come on an ST, so this doesn't usually come with the ST. You've got the twin exhausts, as I say, the arch extensions, these down the bottom here. Got some stripes as well. Really looks nice. Oh, you've got fins here as well. I presume that can be taken out if it's not to your taste. I just think it looks lovely. So, oh, lip spoiler on the rear as well. A lovely ST interior. Matches the car. Caro seats. It's on 519 miles. Drives absolutely fantastic. Half tank fuel. Oh gosh, I have to use that. USB. This does have satellite navigation. It's got DAB, satellite navigation. Got park distance control as well. Your switches there. It's just been serviced, just been MOT'd. DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.